Alright, I popped the antenna tuning stub, as I like to call it, apart, and these two risers here, I trimmed a tiny bit off each side, like so, and what we'll do is we'll go tap this back into the antenna and take another sweep, see what it looks like. If it's all good, then we'll solder it up, the last piece there. Alright, here we go. Alright, that piece slides back together. You can see the antenna here. Slides back together, and kind of tapped it with my old wooden handle hammer. Get it back into place. And let's go see what the sweep looks like. Alright, the original sweep is right here. Antenna has been adjusted, and we're going to re-sweep. I'll re-overlay the graph. So I would expect this V here to move to the right. And once again, we're having our 2 meter band is the shaded area. The top of the graph represents a 2 to 1 SWR. So the antenna, as it was 1.2 to 1. And about 1.4.5 to 1 over here, with the best spot at 1.04 to 1 at 144.8. So let's see what it looks like now that I trimmed a little off. Here we go. The V's coming down. Everything moved to the right. Okay, very nicely. A little bit farther than center, but it's still fine. So left side we're at 1.45 and 1.25 over here, and the best spot 1.07 at 1.464. A lot of resonance. Let me re-sweep the whole thing. We'll clear the screen and put a new sweep on there so you can see it better. Alright, very nice, very nice. That's going to work. That's going to work. We'll solder that last connection, those two connections, and be ready to ship it. Thanks for watching. Jim here, AG6IF. Building a 3DFL, three-dimensional full-wave loop, and about a half-inch copper pipe. And I've got a couple other videos on this antenna. It's a really nice little antenna. It looks like a pizza stand. And works close to the ground, and works inside your vehicle. Being a full wave loop, it's not quite as impacted by ground proximity as other antennas. And it's got some nice lobes on it as well. It's got some directionability. Front to back ratio is fairly decent. I use one for my Echolink node, and I've got it turned so it's sensitive towards the repeater site, and I've got one on my packet radio station as well. So super rugged as well. So, and if you need to put a pizza on your picnic table, just set it right on there. You'd probably still use the antenna while you're using it as a pizza stand high. Alright, thanks for watching. This is Jim, AG6IF in Southern California. Appreciate each and every one of you, and have a nice day. 7-3.